How to delete Android messages from your device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how to delete the messages from your device on your Android device. So if you want to delete the messages on your Android device, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, launch the messaging app on your device. Once you have launched the messaging app, you have to select the conversation or tap on the conversation that contains the message that you want to delete here. After that, here you have to scroll through the message that you want to delete, and you have to tap and hold on the message, hold your finger on the specific message until a menu appears, and you will see the delete the message option depending on your phone. You will either see the option of delete or a trash can icon. Just tap on that option to delete or remove the selected messages. If after that, you can easily delete the messages like this. So if you want to delete the entire conversation, just go and hold on that conversation here. And here you will see the trash can or delete option. Just go for the delete, and here you can easily so here you can easily tap on the delete option and your all conversation will be deleted. This way you can easily delete your messages from your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.